The U.S. Supreme Court has struck down President Donald Trump's sweeping global tariffs, delivering a major setback to a policy central to his economic agenda. The ruling focused on tariffs Trump imposed under a 1977 emergency powers law, which he used to justify so-called reciprocal tariffs on nearly every country. The administration argued that the law, traditionally used for sanctions, allowed the president to regulate imports during national emergencies, including setting tariffs. However, challengers argued the statute does not explicitly mention tariffs, and that the Constitution clearly grants Congress the authority to levy import taxes. The legal opposition spanned the political spectrum, including several states and business groups. Trump had described the case as one of the most important in U.S. history, warning that a ruling against him would harm the American economy. Despite previous short-term victories on executive power cases, this marks the first major piece of his broader agenda to be rejected by the nation's highest court. The decision does not completely block the president from imposing tariffs under other trade laws. However, those authorities carry stricter limits on how quickly and broadly such measures can be applied. According to estimates from the Congressional Budget Office, the economic impact of Trump's tariff framework could reach nearly $3 trillion over the next decade. Federal data shows the Treasury has already collected more than $133 billion under the emergency tariffs. The ruling is expected to have significant economic and political consequences as the debate over trade policy and executive power continues in Washington.